Good morning, guys. There's a hair on the screen. I had to blow it off. I think we need to give them some food. We'll give them a little bit. Alright. You guys hear Jimbo? There's Hank. There's Jimbo. Good morning. Wow, my hair is like sticking up. I didn't just wake up. I just got home from work. Looks like everyone's ready to eat. It is really foggy. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look how foggy it is. It's like spooky out. There's a board leaning up against the tailgate. Oh, I wonder what that's for. Our tailgate broke. So it doesn't stay up. Still it comes down. Walked into a spider web. No spider on it this time. We're just feeding the chickens today. Ain't really not much going on today. Besides, I think we do have to water all of them. Well, mostly the chicks. I don't know about Jumbo. But we gotta go let out little man in them. Oh, and what she does fall. Alright, we'll go let out little man in them. So what with those? Add one scoop to that. Because they have about a scoop up there. Oh. And they're pretty low on those spices. We're going to have to do it up there. Alright. Take this spices down up there. We'll let out Hank in our little man. The trees haven't changed much color yet, so. And I don't know if we're gonna be able to see the trees from over here. But once the trees start like changing more colors, we'll I'll go up there and we'll check out the trees from over there. From up there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be beautiful up there. With all the open area. But yeah, it's gonna be neat. We're gonna let out little man. Embracing them. We're here. Let out these heathens. There's Falky. Woo! You know, hover down there? There. I had to fix my camera. Well, not fix my camera, I had to fix the bucket. But anyways, we don't have much going on today. Just feeding the chickens. Now next year, next year's. A lot of stuff going on. I'm wondering why there's a board on the trailer. I don't know if you guys seen that or not. Did he knock it down? That's say he was flying into the window up there. Stop the recording. Alright, let's let out Hank and them. And it was the chits last. There. Gotta put the spices in there. Alright. Still let out Hank and them. They're going insane. Well, at least Hank is. I don't know about the other chickens. But everyone in the Butt Nugget Palace is going crazy. Alright. Yeah, they don't need water. It's pretty cool. But, they definitely need to get out of there. There you go, ladies. Woo! You coming down? There's any eggs in there. No eggs. I figured there wouldn't be no eggs. No eggs. I figured there wasn't because of, it's the fall. It's around the time they start molting. Which, as you can see, our leghorns are molting. They should be going to the Amish lady here pretty soon. I have a chicken food dust. I don't think we need to go in there anymore. Oh, long hair. I'll lock it up. If we have to go back in there, I'll unlock it. Alright. So get the chits done. They are going insane. But anyways. So all we're doing today, feeding and water the chickens. Ain't much. I know there ain't much going on in this homestead as of now, but soon they're going crazy. Look at them. Oh, did I say that? Is someone talking? Alright. Set these chits fed. Whoa! String. Cool. Oh. Three. Alright. Yeah, there ain't much spices left. So I'll have to take this back up there. Alright. Let's go feed our chickens. Oh, chickens. Oh, wait. Should we touch on? Hang on. Let's grab a scoop of food for. Well, actually, I don't think he needs a scoop of food. Because yesterday when I gave him a scoop of food, his bowl was almost full. So let's see how it is today. Yeah, board. I think this was falling down. So he was knocking it down. Yeah, he has food in there. I think my cousin or my uncle switched the bowl, water bowl. Yeah. What they did. Alright. Alright. Using this as the water bowl now. Which is probably a little better to hold the water than that other paint pop but plastic thing. Whatever that plastic thing was. But we don't need water because there's that thing full of water. The chicks are going crazy. So what we'll do is, I don't watch him over here. We'll feed the chicks and do all that fun stuff. Let's go over here and feed them. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Alright, y'all can go back to eating. Sorry, guys. asset you guys are here. How about that? Butt my head. All the way, girl. Alright. There you go. Are you okay? No. Go there. There you go. Go ahead. Alright, all fed. We still water them. So let's go turn on the water. Very pretty soon we're not going to be able to use the hose. Let's carry it by the jug. For like, we can use the hose for about another month or so. But it's going to get cold. So let's turn on the hose. Alright. There. My nose is full of dust. Oh, thank you. It is. Yeah, let's clean these bowls real quick. Set these over here and set you guys right there. Whoa. There you go. Let's go grab Jimbo's water bowl that I left over here. This was smarter to do instead of that other plastic thing. I could even changed it. Hey girl, anything more water in there? Oh yeah. I brought this. Check for AIDS. I should be close to laying eggs. Alright, we won't fill this up. This bowl up. We'll fill it up with the jug. Because, I believe it would be easier to do it with the jug. So, what the heck was I just trying to say? Alright. Let's grab the jug. Well, first, take the bowl over here. Okay. Let's grab the jug. Right here, which is practically halfway full, or half empty, however you want to say it. Well, how do you guys say it? Half full, half empty? Huh? Alright. You guys hear that? Alright, I don't know if the tripod's tall enough. Oh, it is. But I don't know if you guys are going to be able to. There we go. These guys grew a little bit taller. Very cool. Spilt water. It got into his food, so it should be fine. Not much, it was just a splash. It's fine. Probably better for him to eat anyway, so it's because it's wet. But you guys grew. You guys grew too tall. Guys, I'll shrink back down. Here. Shrinky, shrinky. Shrinky, dinky. There you go. A lot better. Now I can carry you guys a little better. Am I fourth wall breaking? Probably. Well, let's close the lid. we don't have to water Hank and them, or little man. Oh, my hand is wet. That water splashed up on me. Yeah, I grabbed the bowl. I gotta turn off the water. But before I do that, I want to show you guys what I do after I turn off the camera. Something I do before I go in. So here, I'm going to show you what I do after I turn off the camera. After I stop the recording. Clean off my boots. That's what I normally do after I turn off the camera. I clean them and then I head inside. So I thought I would show you guys. Maybe I'll start putting that in there. It's mainly, these videos are getting pretty short. Because the chickens aren't drinking as much water, but they're eating a lot more food. So, the water part isn't so long like it used to be. There we go. Turn off the water. Now let's take the bucket back down. Whoa. There's a mushroom. There's a mushroom. There's that food in there. A little bit crumbs. Sorry, I was itching inside my nose. Yeah, that's what I do after I turn off the camera. Alright, clean off my boots. There's all the chicken poop and stuff on the bottom of my boots. Yeah. No one wants that in the house, do they? Or in the garage. Alright. I think that's all we got to do today. There isn't much. What can we do? Okay. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow. But always remember, stay squirrely.